Okay, so for tonight's menu, we got some chicken, some red potatoes that I already cut and quartered, or whatever. Now, I'm going to put some garlic powder on this, and then we sprinkle some of this Italian seasoning on it. Pop it in the oven at 350 for about an hour. I think we'll have some broccoli on the side. So we're going to see what this Italian chicken tastes like. Okay, so I put some garlic powder and the Italian seasoning on here. Okay, it's all sprinkled all over everything. And then you take a stick, well, of course I used a stick and a half of butter, and we're going to drizzle it over it, cover it with foil, and then I'll pop it in the oven, and in an hour I'll let you know what it tastes like. And here's what it looks like in the pan. We got some red potatoes, an Italian chicken, which I'm going to put on my plate. I'm going to scoop up some potatoes. I'll be right back and show you what my plate looks like. And here we got it all on the plate here. A bit of broccoli. Ooh, that chicken just pulled right apart. Well, let's let this cool down a second. Take me a little bite. Oh Lord, this is really good. Of course, it was cooked in butter. Got the Italian seasoning on here, right here. Red potatoes. Can't go wrong with red potatoes and butter, that's for sure. Now, like I said, I sprinkled, you see a nice sprinkle of Italian seasoning on there. I sprinkled some garlic powder, which I put it on the potatoes too. Oh, let me take a taste of those potatoes. Ooh, a little hot. That thing is hot as heck. Holy crummy. Oh yeah, I just took it out of the oven. I suppose it would be hot now, wouldn't it? There's a lot of flavor in those potatoes. Wow. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be making this one again. So there, Italian chicken with some red potatoes. All in one pan, popped in the oven, and there you go. Enjoy.